How to check flight status using flight number on Spirit Airlines. Hi everyone, welcome once again to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can check flight status using flight number on Spirit Airlines. So the first thing to do, of course, is to ensure that you have a Spirit Airlines account created already. And then once you have it created, just go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to the home page of Spirit Airlines where you see different options on the screen. And by the left side, you see the book option, my trips, check-in, flight status, etc. And then the next thing to do is to move over to the left side of the screen and then click on flight status. Okay, so once you click on flight status, you'll be taken to the flight status page. On this page, you will see the option of how you can check your flight status. You can check by destination and you can check by flight number. Our focus is on flight number, so just click on flight number. Then once you click on the flight number option, you and a box will be displayed, and then you see flight number as well as the date, and then you click on check status. So the next thing to do is to input the flight number in here. After inputting the flight number in here, navigate through to the check status option and then you click on it. Once you click on it, the status of your flight would be checked. It is that simple. Okay, this is how you can check flight status using flight number on Spirit Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a very nice day.